Welcome back to Tabir Academy. In this video, we are going to apply the power precision plan that we learned in the last video to solve the word and context questions. So the question says, in his essay, The Science of Happiness, psychologist Daniel Gilbert discusses how people often wrongly predict their future happiness, indicating that their expectations are dash. So the core idea is people's forecast of their future happiness tend to be wrong. The tone is corrective and cautionary. स्टेप टू क्या था, आपने प्रोडिक्ट करना था कि क्या इसमें आ सकता है. सो माई फर्स्ट थॉट्स आर ऑफ, inaccurate or incorrect. Step 3 is hunting for clues. The phrase wrongly predict in the prompt repeats as expectation or dash. Eliminate and confirm. The choice is precise and dependable. This is opposite of wrong, so we'll clearly eliminate this. Surprisingly accurate. This contradicts the idea of error. So this is also wrong. Easily measurable. This is irrelevant to the correctness. Frequently incorrect. This matches the prediction we made and the built-in clue of wrongly predict. Now we are going to read it aloud. The expectations are frequently incorrect. It's smooth, logical, and preserve the S's corrective tone. So we are going to go with the option C.